W thing. I'm not doing anything.
All right. What are you? Don't do anything anyway, man. Good morning. This is Josh.
Good morning,
It's our
guys.
video guy. All he does is drink coffee.
Camera guy Josh.
Camera guy Josh. This is W. He's working on this light bar. What's up, man?
Well, today we've got the NSV light bar installed in the
Yeah.
this Toyota Tundra.
Oh yeah.
Cannot keep these things in stock. We sold over 200 of them. And in the new NSV light bar, they actually come with a new harness, so you don't have to do the jumper wire anymore. You don't have to fight with that. You don't have to do the T-taps. Everything's plug and play. You guys asked for it. They listened. They fixed that. Everything's so much easier. You can get this thing installed in what, 2 hours now?
Yeah, the guys yesterday did it super
Yeah,
quick.
Takes nothing. So we're doing that. We're showing the new Armor Series bulbs and the turn signal on this particular truck. It comes with LED headlights, LED fog lights. For some reason, they installed the old school, regular old turn signal that we've had since what, the 60s, 70s? That doesn't fly, man. This is a $50,000 truck. So we brought it up to the current era. We've got the best of the best up front. We got a video coming out on that too.
Yeah, so we're doing videos on that, and like this is what you don't see in the install video. You don't see W where how he's got everything set up here, and now he's going through
GoPro here.
and yeah, we got the GoPro chilling right there, and now he's trying to figure out how exactly this thing wires up so that he can just tell you.
Yep.
You know, we go through all the hard work to
Save
figure
all
out how to do it. Yeah, that's it. So that's it. HeadlightRevolution.com. Check us out. Put it in the NSV light bar on the brand new 18 Tundra.